What's up everybody, welcome back to another episode of Average Joe's DIY. Today we're building sawhorses. So a lot of people don't have a workshop or a workbench to do things on, including myself, as you'll be able to tell in the rest of this video. So today I decided to build some sawhorses. Although there are many ways to build them, I chose to build the I-beam style sawhorse because there are no angles to cut, which is easy for a DIYer with limited tools. Now I personally used some old wood that used to be studs in a wall that I removed from my house, therefore I had to remove some previous nails, but you can use whatever you like. Now that all the nails are removed, it's time to start measuring and cutting the pieces. Now I personally measured 10 pieces at 30 inches and 4 pieces at 32 inches, but you can always measure according to your personal preference. Make sure to check your boards for splitting or bad ends. I had to flip this board around because a good chunk of the wood was missing on one end, as you can sort of tell when I failed at trying to show the camera. Now that all the boards are marked, it's time to start cutting. But remember the golden rule, measure twice, cut once. As I am cutting, I want to remind you to be sure to watch the video all the way to the end, because there's an important part in the build that if you do wrong, can make your sawhorse's legs uneven or even crooked, causing weakness in the sawhorse. Just in case you don't have a miter saw like me, you can always use another type of saw, like this circular saw for instance. Alright, the last board is cut, now to lay them out on the table and start the assembly. The first part you want to start assembling is the I-beam. The top and the bottom will be the 32-inch boards and the middle will be the 30-inch board. Make sure that your middle board is centered onto the bottom board. Now I don't have clamps unfortunately, therefore I had to mark the center with my pencil, and my hand is going to have to be a good enough clamp to hold it together as I insert the screws. Once you've got it lined up and centered, go ahead and insert the own I-beam sawhorses that are very simple to make but very strong on the job. Well, I hope this video was helpful to you today. If it was, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed already, please consider subscribing because I have some great projects in the near future that I am super excited to share with you. I'm Joe with Average Joe's DIY, and I'll see you next time.